Okay, so I'm going to teach you how to make an animated GIF image. So first what you need to do is you need to open up your Windows button and type in the word GIMP. This is a program we're going to use to make our image. Once that's loaded, I just want you to start off with something simple. So just hit File, go to New, and we're going to make an image that is 300 pixels wide and 100 pixels tall. And just go ahead and click OK. Pay attention to the parts of your screen when you're in the GIMP program. This is your toolbox with things that will help you make, create and edit parts of your animation. This is your layers panel. Now this is going to be really important. You want to do things in order. So the first thing I'm going to do, we're going to make just a simple one, is I'm going to use my text tool and I'm going to drag a box, and in it I'm going to write what I want. So I'm going to say hello, for example. Now if I want to change where this is, I kind of have to manipulate these squares on the side of my text to move it around. It's a little complicated, but you get used to it. Okay, so that's my first word. We're going to do this word by word. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to click our text tool again, and we're going to create a new box. And in this one, you can write what you want, move it to where you want, and if you want to change the color, go ahead. And then it kind of helps to keep your text in the space so that it doesn't overlap with other parts. And I'm going to make one last one. And I'm going to make it this color. You guys can write whatever you want as long as it's appropriate. And that's it. Now notice over here I have these layers like this. So if I take away this layer, that goes invisible. I just want you guys to get used to this notion of layers, because as we make more animated GIF images, you guys are going to want to pay attention to what order this is in. So once I'm done with everything, I can go to Filters, Animation, and Playback. So this is going to let me preview what I've made. So I can hit play, and you can see it's going pretty fast. If I want to slow it down, I play around with these numbers. Okay, now we'll say okay, that's good for me. Now I need to save my animated GIF. So what we need to do is we go to Filter, Animations, and you're going to optimize it. Okay, and this just opens another window. And then we're going to go to File, and you're going to save it. And I want you to save it in the Text6 folder, which is under Computers, in the GIFs folder. And you're going to title it whatever your name is. And you want to keep this extension, this .xcf. Make sure it's there. So then you hit save. And once you're done with that, we then need to export it as a GIF file. So you go to File, Export, and this time we're going to save it as a GIF. So make sure it's whatever your name is, .gif, and then hit export. You can make sure this box is checked as animation, and you should probably make this a really slow number, like 15, or I'm going to even make it 10. And I'm going to check this box that says use delay entered above for all frames, and I'm going to export it. And it's going to take a while to think, so let it process. Now once that's done, you can check out your own GIF image. Okay, so you can just open up Sandbox again and search for it. So it's going to be in Sandbox, Text 6, GIFs, and it's going to be this one that's a GIF image. And once that opens, you can see what you made. So I want you guys to just play around with that today and test it out and make your own GIF image, and make sure you save it to the Text 6 folder in my folder in Sandbox.